Can you guys hear the extremely loud crow? Buddy, I'm filming! Hi everyone, Wygo Warrior aka Julie here. Welcome back to my channel. If you're new, welcome. Wygo stands for When You Get Old. I am 54 years old, love and enjoy makeup, skincare, doing product reviews, beauty hauls, and unboxing videos. If you stopped by because you're curious about the Ipsy Glam Bag Plus for March 2021, then you're in the right place. And keep on watching. Okay, so here is my Ipsy. All I'm going to say is, like, buckle up, folks. If you aren't into honest reviews, if you're only looking for the bubbly, oh, everything's great, then move along. Thank you for stopping by. Feel free to click that thumbs up before you leave. But I'm going to be a little cranky. I haven't even looked at this. I haven't looked at spoilers. But I do kind of recall when I was doing my selections that I was annoyed. And I'm trying to remember why I was annoyed. I took screenshots, which I'm going to speak to on the screen. And I believe my annoyance was the fact that a lot of the products were like repeats, or I've already received from BoxyCharm. And Ipsy now owns BoxyCharm. And I hope they check to see if you do, but I don't know. It was a lot of, didn't like what I got to choose from, or repeats, or just not impressed. So, question is, do I talk about what my thoughts were as I was selecting, or just go through the unboxing? Because it could be, this has happened before, where I was annoyed during selection, and when I unbox, I'm like, oh, this is a good bag. I honestly don't remember the specifics. All I remember is I told myself, take screenshots, talk about this when you do your unboxing, because it was no bueno. I think, so that I don't get spoiler alerted, because I do like honest reactions, I'm going to do my unboxing, and then if you are curious, my thoughts or my rants, you can go to the end. Most people only stay in my videos for 7 minutes, so just move along if you aren't interested. Let's try that approach. Alright, so this is going to be a long video. If anyone is new to what Ipsy Glam Bag Plus is, it's a $25 a month beauty subscription where you get 5 full-size products and you get to select 3 of the products. It does come in a bag. And by bag, I'm going to call it a pouch because it is a drawstring. And this feels kind of polyester-ish. And there are lovely ladies from all walks of life holding hands. It's a lovely thought, not the best color scheme. And that's my honest opinion. All right, let's dig in and see if my memory peaks as to why I possibly was annoyed with this bag. What is this item? Ooh, is this a brush? It comes safety sealed. There's like that plastic that's perforated. So to take it out, got to get through the plastic. Okay, so this is the IT Cosmetics Heavenly Skin Smoothing Complexion Brush, number 704, which retails for $48. That's pricey. But IT Cosmetics, that is pricey. It's very soft. It's pretty dense, but not the densest of brushes. So I question how good it will be for complexion products, because I could see my foundation just soaking on up and dropping down because it's not extremely dense. It may bode better for contour or bronzer. I'm still glad I have it in my life because I am a brush connoisseur. And the shishier the product that I get for free, the better. Okay, on to the next item. What is this very squished open box? Okay, so this is from PIXI by Petra. I don't know if you can see that, but it's pretty dented. And this is one of those metal tubes, or feels like metal, maybe it's aluminum tubes. And this is the Clarity Lotion by PIXI by Petra, which retails for $24. What is a Clarity Lotion? Are you for the face or my hands? What does it say? Oil-free moisturizer. I presume it's for my face. Let me read the card, and by card I mean the website. So this lotion will hydrate your skin while minimizing the appearance of pores with a 2-in-1 lotion. It uses time-release ceramides and aloe vera to boost moisture levels, along with salicylic acid to clear congestion and kaolin clay to absorb excess oil. Oh, is this maybe not for us dry skin ladies, but for the oilier skin ones? I'm gonna read up on this to find out if this is intended with the salicylic acid and the clay. It may not bode well for my dry, mature skin. But if it is good for dry skin, yay, because I love ceramides. I love the fact that it's time released. This is 50 milliliters. So for skincare, this is the larger size, 30 milliliter or 50 milliliter. So on the fence on this one, but I'm hoping it's good. Okay, next item. I swear to God, I already own these. Is this from Lexi by any chance? No, not from Lexi. I got a very similar set of brushes from Lexi. I want to say from a BoxyCharm add-on sale. All right, let me, instead of speculate, look up what this is. Okay, so here is a 5-piece brush set from MOTD Cosmetics in a blush blending eye brush set, which retails, are you ready? For $58. What? Those are pricey brushes. And they are dense. I don't say stiff, but they aren't the softest brushes. They are stiffish, softish, all of the ishes. They're cute. I like the pink. So if I could do math, 50, 60, that's almost 12, it's like $11 a brush. That is pricey. Let me know down below if you think these are a little overpriced. Will I use them? Probably. I love brushes. I have so many, but I can never have too many brushes. I'm just a brush whore. I don't know. Let me know if you're the same down below. All right, on to the next item. Okay, so this is from Air Repair Skincare, and it's a Complexion-Boosting Moisturizer. All right. Got a lot of I got brushes and moisturizers. It retails for $23 for 59 milliliters. That's 2 fluid ounces. That is a really good price, depending on the ingredients. Let's see how good of a moisturizer this is. It says no matter what your skin type, this hydrates and revitalizes even the driest and dullest of complexion. A combo of antioxidants like cloudberry seed oil and green tea rejuvenate stressed out skin. It does come safety sealed, and I have 8 million serums and moisturizers going, so I'm not gonna take that off now, but I am curious if it's white and creamy or gel. Somebody leave me a comment down below if you've tried this, used this, and let me explain if it's good and what the consistency is, because maybe I'll abandon ship on my other ones and open her up. Okay, on to the last item. Ooh, it's our lovely friend, Complex Culture, which is an Ipsy home brand. What is this? Okay, I believe I selected this. Oh, okay. So this is the Complex Culture Good Lighting Highlighter Duo in Lucid and Afterglow. Those are lovely. Let's do some swatches. Here we have Lucid and Afterglow. Those are beautiful. Okay, let's recap what I got. So I got a 5-piece eye brush set from MOTD. I got a complexion brush from It Cosmetics. I got a clarity lotion from PIXI by Petra. I got a moisturizer from a brand I'm not familiar with called Air Repair. And a highlighter duo from Complex Culture. This is actually okay box. So now I need to look up the photos and figure out why I was annoyed when making my selections. I'm sure it will all come back to me. Okay, so here are my first choice items. And you might be going, wow, those are great. I thought so as well, until my memory kicked in. So I first was about to select the Dose of Colors until I remembered, wait a second, I already own that because I received it in my October 2020 BoxyCharm. Yeah. So we're getting a little repeats from the sister or child company now that are like 6 months old. So then I moved along, skipped over the nighttime moisturizer, and because my eye is always drawn to complexion products. I'm like, ooh, BB cream. And then I'm like, wait a second. Don't I already own a BB cream from Pure Release? Sure enough, once again, BoxyCharm, June 2020, I got the Perfect Glow BB cream. So I'm like, well, no, I already own that product as well. And therefore, I landed on selecting the Complex Culture Highlighting Duo. My second choices, similar but not quite as BoxyCharmy as the first set of options. The Florence by Mills, it's a lip oil. I'm not really into lip oils sometimes, but it's not the best selection. The Item Beauty is a setting mist. I contemplated hard on that, but I just got a setting mist in a different box. And then the Jekka Black. All right, don't get me started on Jekka Black. I have received that exact same product in 2 other boxes. So I already own 2, possibly 3 of that product. So I'm like, no thank you. So I went with the Air Repair skincare. Now on to the third selection of items. So I selected the MOTD brushes because that Laura Makeup Labs, I swear to God, they've been advertising that, having it as an option. It's been in the add-ons for quite some time. Not my color story whatsoever. Big pass. The Haas Laboratories caught my eye because I believe that's Lady Gaga's makeup line. But then I'm like, oh, it's a dark, black, sparkling topper. Just not my cup of tea. And then that last item I've already received in a beauty box. And I don't know which one, if it was Ipsy. It's nice, but I already have it. So, therefore, I landed on the brushes. Okay, off my rant horse, on to finishing up this video. Give me your thoughts. Am I being picky? I don't know. I just found that there's so... It's almost like, hey, now that Ipsy and BoxyCharm are one company, it's almost like, what do you got extra in your warehouse that you couldn't sell? Ooh, we never gave that in our box. Send it on over. Let me know if you guys feel the same. Also, just, if that's the case, some of these products are 6 months to 10 plus months sitting in a warehouse and now they're still passing them out. I don't know. It's just, I'm noticing that. Oh, and then the last thing, do you guys notice? And this happens for both BoxyCharm and Ipsy. So you make your selection, you see the price, ooh, $48, $32. And then as soon as you click on it, it then shows you, oh, it's only $12 now on the add-on, or it's only worth $6. And it's like, well, can you really claim your box value based off of MSRP when you're immediately, the same day that you're putting an item in a box, is drastically reduced and already on your add-ons? Let me know your thoughts on that as well, because that honestly bugs me a lot. But then I have to step back and go, you know what? At the end of the day, the box is only $25. If you add up $25, that means you get 5 items. If each item is it worth $5, all the boxes are good. It's just on paper and what they claim and advertise and the psychology of what you think you're getting versus the reality is not the same. But am I getting $25 worth of beauty products? You bet. All right. If you haven't done so yet, I would love for you to subscribe. Click that thumbs up. It really helps with the algorithm. Leave me a comment. And if you haven't done so yet, you need to check out my 500 subscriber giveaway video. It's like 2 minutes long, but it has all the details on how you, as a subscriber, what you need to do to participate and qualify to be in that drawing. All right. Thanks, everyone.